Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CyberGhost VPN. First, you'll need to download the CyberGhost application. You can find it on their official website or your device's app store, whether you're on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. Once downloaded, simply follow the installation wizard, accept the terms, and log in with your account credentials. It's a straightforward process, usually taking just a few moments to complete. Once installed, connecting to CyberGhost is incredibly easy. Just open the app and click the large Power button. It will automatically connect you to the best available server for optimal speed. If you prefer, you can manually select a server from over 100 countries and thousands of options. This allows you to access content or services from specific regions, enhancing your online freedom and privacy. CyberGhost offers powerful features to boost your online security. The automatic kill switch is a crucial safety net, preventing data leaks if your VPN connection unexpectedly drops. Additionally, split tunneling lets you decide which applications route through the VPN and which use your regular internet connection. This flexibility, combined with robust AES 256-bit encryption, ensures your online activities remain private and secure. When you're finished, disconnecting is as simple as clicking the power button again. Using CyberGhost VPN provides numerous benefits, including safeguarding your privacy, encrypting your internet traffic, and allowing you to bypass geographical restrictions. You can protect up to 7 devices simultaneously with a single subscription, ensuring comprehensive security across all your gadgets. It's a simple yet powerful tool for a safer online experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.